How to restrict group chat in Messenger? Let me inform you that there is no any specific tool that helps us to restrict group chat in Messenger, but in this video I will show you one way that will help us to restrict group chat in Messenger. Simply open Messenger app and then you have to open the group that you want to restrict group chat in Messenger. Let me show you the simple way to restrict group chat in Messenger. Simply here are different members on this group. You can simply restrict some of the members that includes in this group. Suppose if this fire person is in this group, now let me restrict this person. Tap and hold the chat and tap on restrict. Once you have restricted that particular person, you simply need to open the group chat. Once you open here, it is notified that if you wish to stay in chat or leave the chat. So simply you can tap and hold and tap on archive. Once done, this group chat will be restricted in Messenger. So that is one of the way you can do. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then please subscribe it for more updates.